Okay, here I've got the code, and in this example, I'm going to share the entire document just to see what it does. So let's highlight the whole thing and Control C to copy. So I've got the code. Now here's Schoology. You might have a different LMS. It's going to be similar to this, I suppose, but in Schoology, here's how you do. I'm going to add a page. And I'm going to call it daily assignments. Now here's something weird about Schoology. You need to click this to switch to HTML, and we're going to paste that code in there. Okay. And then I'm also down here at the bottom going to display on a new page. That's going to show it and not make me have to click on a link. So it pops up like this, and the problem is you can't really see the whole thing because its size is this automatic size. So we're going to go back in there and we're going to fix the size. Edit. And it shows me this yellow box, but you've got to click in here to see the actual code. All right, so Schoology adds this sizing, and I don't want this sizing. I want it different. So you can kind of play around with the numbers, but one thing good you can do is instead of say 320, say 100%. So your width is 100% there. And let's see what that does. Okay, that's pretty good, and that's pretty much all I need to do.